Hello again, everybody. Welcome back to Data Science Building Blocks. This is Joe. This is actually a re-recording of an earlier video. The old one had some feedback, so just wanted to make this quick one again. It's meant to just show you how to make RStudio your default IDE when scripting R inside of Power BI. So IDE is Integrated Development Environment. If you haven't installed RStudio yet, and you don't know what an IDE is, don't know much about R, go back to my R playlist and earlier videos and check that out. Subscribe if you like, and make your way back up to this video here. We go through Power BI, and now I'm just going to show you, like I mentioned in the last video, it actually popped down as a banner, just how to install, not how to install R, but how to make it your default IDE. So just go to File, and from here go to Options and Settings. Go to Options, there we go, and then go to R scripting, and you can see there's a little how to install R here as well. So if you want to use this instead of my earlier videos, by all means, you want to make sure that RStudio is your detected R IDE, and it's likely in your program files if you followed all of the default install steps and you're on a Windows, but if it's not, go see where your RStudio was installed, and then just make sure it's selected here, and that's all. So then you click OK, and then when you have an R visual on the screen, like I'm going to do right here, just clicked in the empty canvas. When you start to write some code down here like we did, you can then click this up arrow right here, and it will bring you into RStudio. So that would be your default IDE after making those settings live like I just showed you how to do. You may need to restart Power BI after you do that, so just close out and come back in. But there's a quick one on how to do that, and we'll see you in the next video.